Most creators think you need 100,000 subscribers before brands will even look your way. That is the biggest lie in the creator economy. When I landed my first major partnerships with Tapstitch and Black Girl Vitamins, I had less than 5,000 subscribers and my videos were averaging low views. I didn't have a massive audience, but I had an engaged one. That single sponsored video took off, hitting 6.8 million views and completely changed my trajectory. It proves that brands are looking for value, not vanity. Metrics. Today I'm going to show you how to stop waiting for them to find you and how to start positioning yourself as a professional partner. The first step is proving value. Most people send a boring "can you sponsor me" email that goes straight to the trash. Instead, you need to conduct a content audit. Spend time with the brand's product. Make a video without their permission first. Create the content you would make if you were sponsored. Why? Because you are removing all the risk for the brand. When you pitch to them, you aren't asking them to trust your idea. You are showing them the results you already created. You're saying, "I already made this. Your audience loves it. Let's make it official." Step 2, get data. Brands don't speak subscriber counts. They speak return on investments. If you have 5,000 subscribers, but 20% of them click your link, you are more valuable than a creator with 500K subscribers who ignores their comments. I want you to go into your analytics and pull your audience retention and click-through rate. You need to be a translator. Translate your video views into potential sale leads for the brand. If you can show them that your views stick around for 70% of your video, your viewers stick around for 70% of your video, you're telling them their ad is actually going to be watched. Okay, third, let's talk about negotiation. Stop chasing one-off posts. One-off posts are stressful. You spend all your energy pitching for a single paycheck. You want a retainer. This is where you pitch a 3-month or 6-month partnership. And this is where usage rights come in. Brands want to take your content and put it in their own paid ads. That's called whitelisting. This is your biggest revenue lever. When you give them the right to boost your posts on their accounts, you are no longer just a content creator. You're an advertising asset. That is how you change 5 times or 10 times more than a standard post. Now, where do you find these people? Don't DM their social media manager. Go to a channel in your niche that has sponsors. Click their About tab, look for that business inquiry button, and grab that email. It's not fancy, but it's the direct line to the people with the budget. I've personally used this method to find contacts. So don't wait to be found. Some of these companies won't find you on their own. I know this sounds like a lot, but you have the power to do this right now. If you want to see exactly how I phrase my emails to get that call, drop a comment with the words "sponsor" below, and I'll send my personal pitch template your way. Don't wait for the 100K subs. Start treating your channel like a business today. Hit that subscribe button and let's grow. Let's grow together, y'all. These partnerships, let's get them together. I want to add, I didn't state that both of these brands reached out to me with little followings. I didn't have many views on my videos, but they still seen value. So they took a chance on me, Black Girl Vitamins and Tapstitch, and I love both of these brands. And I have two different type of collaboration with these brands. So keep following me for more.